Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the saucy chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the saucy chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making stuffed pizza biscuits. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, Italian seasoning, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, a can of biscuits, pepperoni, and also shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, all you want to do is mix your Mrs. Dash and your Italian seasoning together. And now we're going to go ahead and open our biscuits. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 375 degrees. Once you have your biscuits open, you want to cut them into half. Once you cut it into half, you want to set it on a piece of parchment paper. And we're going to just go ahead and fill it with some mozzarella cheese. Then you want to go ahead and close it, and we're going to seal it shut. Once you have it sealed shut, you're going to place another piece of parchment paper on top, and we're just going to press down to flatten it. Once it's flattened, you want to place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now all you do is repeat the process with your remaining biscuits. Now we're going to apply our pizza sauce on top of our biscuits. Now you want to go ahead and put some more cheese on top. Now on top of the cheese, you want to sprinkle some of your seasoning. Now we're going to add our pepperoni. Now you can place them in your oven 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, they're now ready. Okay guys, so this is our stuffed pizza biscuits. As you can see, I already cut into one. It's nice and cheesy. It's like extremely hot, but it tastes delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.